Hi everybody, it's Patty. Tonight I want to talk to you about a item from the Tupperware catalog, a Modular Mate Spaghetti Keeper, or it's called Modular Mate Spaghetti Dispenser. My nickname for it is Spaghetti Keeper. So what I'm going to do is show you what all about it and what it looks like and what you can do with this. This is in our summer 2020 catalog. It is on page 62. The lid comes in, of course, black and sapphire. These are $11 in the Tupperware catalog. So the top, of course, looks like that. Comes off. Inside you will find a little cap that is removable. That is also numbered 1 and 2. I don't know if you can really see them there in the light. So the reason why they are numbered is once you put your pasta, the long pasta in, it will dispense that many servings, or if you just want one little serving, it'll dispense just one. So that's what entails with that. So that will keep an entire box or box and a half of pasta, long pasta, or any other type of pasta you want to keep in there. So that sits tight here and there. Also, when you put that cap in, you want to twist it tight so it does not pop out. Whoop, it just popped out for me. But yeah, you do seal it in and it stays put, so that way it'll dispense out what the measurement you want. So that's the spaghetti dispenser. That also fell through. So that holds a total of 4 3/4 cup. So that holds a very large box of long pasta, fettuccine spaghetti, linguine, those kind of things, or even little macaronis. So that's that. That is $11 in the Tupperware catalog. Comes in black or sapphire. This is where you'll find it at, the summer 2020 catalog. And that is where you'll find it with the code numbers and the price. So, and that is part of the Modular Mates line. So I want to talk to you too a little bit about the catalog. This is expiring next Wednesday, I believe, August 26th. Hard to believe that it's right around the corner. It feels like this just came out. So that we don't have much time on this catalog, and there's also some products in the catalog that are being discontinued. So you will see, I posted it a few days ago, but I'll post it again. It's called Going, Going, Gone at the top of the flyer. So I will repost that with my ordering webpage. You'll see it says Tupper Connect. So that's the ordering link to that page. But those are all the items that are being discontinued in this catalog. So if there's anything you see that you want from that page or in this catalog, please order through that Tupper Connect link. And then I believe it's August 27th, Thursday, is when the fall catalog comes out. So of course you'll see me post that too. Yeah, so that's this catalog. So keep your eye out for it. I'm going to post it again after I'm done with this video. So keep your eye out for that. Also right now going on is the August brochure. That just came out August 13th. So I posted that here on our page a couple of times. If there's any questions you have on those items, let me know. That brochure is good till I believe September 9th. So you'll keep your eye out for that too. And the products, I'll repost that. The other thing I want to talk to you about was the Tupperware opportunity. Of course, you see me make many posts of the $15 virtual kit and the $60 summer 2020 kit. And those are good till August 26th also. But there's a special going on right now on the virtual kit in honor of Jubilee Week, which is this week. Tupperware is running a $5 promotion on the virtual kit. So this you've seen many times of me posting it. That is the virtual kit. A lady on her computer working her Tupperware business, posting things on Facebook like I do and other places. You could post it on Instagram. You can post your business on Twitter. You can post it on LinkedIn. So there's several different places you can post your Tupperware business with the virtual kit. So, which is nice. It gives us that edge right now in this pandemic thing, and staying home and not being able to have that flexibility of the home party. So, yeah, take advantage of it, and it is possible. We can do it. Our team that we're currently in, Golden Stars, had the best past 5 months of business just doing all our business online and on social media. It's too weird, but you know, in the beginning when everybody's doing the shutdown and stay at home, you know, we had our doubts and not realizing it or figuring out if this is going to work or not, and it actually did. So we figured things out, put our heads together, and wind up doing live videos like this one, and you know, kind of step out of the in-home party mindset and doing it this way. It's still the same principle. You're still showing products, still talking about the business and benefits of Tupperware, but just in a different way. So, and then when you drop off your orders, you do like porch pickup and kind of thing, and people can pay you over the phone or leave a check in the door. And then with Tupperware, your business, also when people order from your website, hi Donna, you can they can order from your website and then choose direct delivery. So, and have FedEx come and drop their order off. So either way, whether a customer lives near you or out of state or over in California, it's possible. So if you have any questions on that, let me know. I can help you with that. So currently they're running the virtual kit for only $5. As you can see, I scratched out the one. It was $15, but now it's only $5. So for only $5, you can start your Tupperware business. It's wonderful. I'm just absolutely excited of that. I know there's only a few hours left. The special ends at midnight. So normally to start a Tupperware business, it's between $60 and $125. And that is with the products. It's a full kit, and that is still available too. That's a $60 summer 2020 kit. But this virtual kit is a pretty new thing. I think they rolled it out back in April or May. So it's a wonderful opportunity. And what happens with the $5 or $15, $5 virtual kit is you get 3 months of my Tupperware.com subscription, and also your personal selling website. So you get communications from what they call a home office, your weekly email that comes to you called My Week, that shows you new updates with Tupperware, new products that may be coming out. Sometimes they will announce upcoming flash sales. So that is one benefit of it, where they do keep communication with you. And medical benefits, dental benefits, life insurance, long-term care insurance, just different things that benefits pretty much like a job that you would have outside your home. So, and there's more benefits than what I just mentioned. So, if any of that sounds good to you, just want to give it a try, please let me know. We have till midnight to sign you up. I sign you up over the phone, or you can sign up over my website, pattybanzoff.my.tupperware.com, and then you click join us, and there it'll walk you through the steps of different screens of getting your information in and paying online. And you do the same exact thing through me. If you call me, and I can sign you up right over the phone. My number is 717-286-6562, and I can take your information just the same way over the phone. Plus, if you have any questions on the earnings opportunity, you can ask me right there. So, hopefully I've answered some of your questions tonight. If you have any other questions at all, let me know. Message me, what have you. But that was my little live on the modular mate spaghetti dispenser and the summer catalog that is going away next Wednesday. I will post the Going Gone page so you can see what is going out and will not be in the fall catalog. There's some things totally going away, and then some other things are changing colors, so you'll see that. And then of course the $5 virtual kit, that's going on tonight, only till midnight. So if you have $5, let me know. I will happily start you, and we can give it a try. Some people just join for the discount, 25% discount right off the bat off products. So, you know, what's there to lose? Really nothing. You know, there's just more to gain. Also, with joining Tupperware, you also have the opportunity to purchase samples, which we call demos, brand new products that are shown in the brochure and catalog, and those are up to 25 to 50% off. So that's a nice benefit too. So you're not paying full price whatsoever on products once you join Tupperware. So a lot of good benefits that go along with it. Please let me know. I will post the information and website shortly after this video. Hopefully you've enjoyed watching, and look out for me tomorrow. I'm going to try to get on every day and demonstrate one product. So look out for me tomorrow, and you take care. Have a great evening. Bye.